catnip. Bruiser, Tabby, Dinky, and Mama. Minnie Mama. Dinky's really getting into it. And Bruiser. That's some good stuff, huh, Bruiser? They just roll in it. Mom's stoned. Yeah, Bruiser? That pretty good? Huh? Is that pretty good? Dinky? Yeah, your eyes, your pupils getting big. Mom, how are you doing? Yeah, some good stuff. You okay, Bruiser? Do I look okay? Tabitha? Last one to the party. Oh, there's little Taz over there hiding. Yeah. Yeah. You haven't had any for a while, have you? No. Bruiser, Dinky is going to haul off and knock you silly. Try to take her stash away from her. Can't even get up. She is going to wail on you, Bruiser. Oh, maybe not. She can't stand up either. There's Mom. No, that's little Taz. Taz, I would advise you not to get near Dinky. Dinky really gets into catnip. Oh, jeez. Bruiser, she will hurt you. What just happened? Well, you ran her off, didn't you? Now you took her stuff. She'll get even with you, Bruiser. She's vindictive. That's just some good stuff. Yeah, he got his little baby. He's got his baby. Yeah, I see you got your baby. Excuse me. Tabitha, you okay? Uh-oh, Bruiser's. Excuse me. Bad asthma morning. Oh, jeez. What's the matter, Taz?